This is cane shoulder flexion for range of motion of the shoulder. Lie on your back and take a cane or broomstick or a PVC pipe and grip it with your hands. You're going to have the involved or injured side with the palm facing up and the uninvolved side with the palm facing down, gripping the cane. For this demonstration, the left arm will be the injured or involved side. Slowly raise the cane overhead as far as you can go, and then slowly lower it back down to the body. If there's pain with this movement, stop at the point where you start to feel pain and then lower back down from there. You can repeat this 10 repetitions for 2 sets. This is cane external rotation for shoulder range of motion. First, lie on your back and take a cane, a broomstick, or a PVC pipe and place it in your hands. You're going to move the involved or injured shoulder slightly out to the side to about 45 degrees, and then keep your elbow bent to 90 degrees. Then you're going to use the other arm to help guide the injured side into external rotation, and then slowly rotate it all the way back to the body with internal rotation. Now, if you have pain or stiffness, you can go to the point where you start to feel the pain, stop, and then return the arm back to the body. You can repeat this for 10 repetitions, 2 sets. This exercise is Pendulum's or Codman's exercises. You're going to rest your uninvolved side on a surface or counter, and then slowly lean forward, allowing your involved or injured side to fall away from your body. You're going to take your feet apart and shift your body weight side to side, allowing your arm to sway with the momentum of your body. You want to make sure you're not using your shoulder muscles to move your arm, but just let it flow as your body goes side to side. You can also shift your legs and go front to back, but let that arm go with the momentum of your body. This exercise is shoulder range of motion with an over-the-door pulley system. First, place the pulleys in the door frame and place a chair in front of the door. Then, sitting in the chair, grab both handles of the pulleys and use the uninvolved side to help guide the injured or involved side up through shoulder range of motion. Then slowly lower it back down. It's important not to force through pain as you raise the involved side up. It's also important to make sure the palm or hand are facing inward toward the body while you do this exercise. This helps decrease the risk of shoulder impingement during this movement.